Hello, everyone. Let's talk about Viagra. Not that one. I'm talking about the Viagra Hill in Disney, Oklahoma. I had never heard of this obstacle before until our first Crawl for Christ in 2014. We have been several times since. The highlight of the trip is to get together on the last day and watch everybody attempt to go up Viagra. This is an obstacle like I have never seen before. I had always said that you will never see me attempt it. I have put tires on it in the past, and you're just looking straight up at the sky. It's crazy. It's really steep. Photos and videos don't do it any justice. So when we got finished with this new build, my husband started putting little things in my head saying, you know, your Jeep could go up Viagra. And I would always say, not me. My Jeep will never be on Viagra. I have seen too many people roll on Viagra, including some in person. Lots of video of Jeeps and buggies and side-by-sides rolling on Viagra. So I had never wanted any part of it. It was fun to watch other people try it. Every year we've been, the only person that we've seen make it is our friend Brad, and everybody else failed. So I thought for sure I had no business being on it.
Two for two. I think I'd call it a day.
So, of course, after this is built, my husband's putting a little bug in my ear, and Brad says the same thing. You know, your buggy could make it up Viagra. You have a good shot at it. So before our trip to Crawl for Christ this year, I did a lot of thinking about it, and I knew that Brad, who is like my brother from another mother, I mean, he's just like, I knew he was going to poke the bear. So I did the smart thing. I bought a helmet from Axel Off-Road, and I was going to take it just in case that I let the peer pressure get to me, and decided I was going to try Viagra. And I'm so glad I did, because that's exactly what happened. We get there, we enjoy the weekend wheeling, and then Sunday, which is always, you know, the last day of the event, we all met at Viagra. And I strapped in, helmet on, and away we went. Brad told me, and I've seen it. I've seen it in other people that have gone up Viagra. If you look at the videos all over YouTube, you can see, you can't go up the middle. There is a ledge that's waist high. If you hit that, it's going to push your front end back and you're going to roll backwards. You have to go off to the right, and then naturally you should be pulled over into the V-notch where you can continue to go on up. My trepidors had something else in mind. I went off to the right, started up, and I did not naturally go over to the V-notch. My tires stayed true to where I was and ended up launching it up a section of Viagra that I've never seen anybody do before. When I felt it rear up, I let off the gas and she settled down on top. I immediately told Brad, let's hook a winch line. But he says, no. He said, no, you're not. He says, you're going to drive out of this. You are this close. So his poker face was priceless, and I was white-knuckled the whole time. I ended up having to crab walk, which felt like it was taking an eternity, over to the point where I could actually climb up the rest of the V-notch. But while I was crab walking ever so slowly, as I'm creeping over, you can hear and see the rocks, just little pebbles just crumbling and rolling down the hill, and I was a nervous wreck.
Yeah, she almost took the hard line out.
What do you mean almost?
Well,
I got to see that because I just held the bucket out.
That was straight up and down.
I stopped focusing with the camera on her. I was like, she went up and my camera stayed down. I'm like, my eyes went up. I'm like,
I told him, I said, please tell me I was on that button. Just clicking. Yeah, that was a little too emotional.
Done for the day.
that's gonna be up.
You okay?
Up like this.
Bring her.
Got a new thumbnail for you.
I will never do it again. Mark my words. And I'm recording this. My husband said he needed to get the camera out when I said, I've done Viagra. I made it to the top. It could have ended badly, and it did not. Praise the Lord. So I have no intention or desire to ever put tires on that thing again. So it's somebody else's turn. I could say I did it, and that's all I care about. I got to show you something. My friends over at Jester Graphics actually printed this cup for me, and I thought it was pretty awesome. So Viagra is no joke, guys. It's absolutely no joke. You need to respect it, and if you're gonna try it, I suggest wearing a helmet because I've seen a lot of people roll on that thing.